Hey everybody, put your hoods up, cause you're about to enter the cozy zone. Do whatever you want, I'm just kidding. Hi, welcome to Recap Monday, I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media, you can subscribe to the channel. You could do both of those things or none of those things because they both have an equal effect on your life, which is very minimal. But I appreciate you stopping by. Hey, hello pals. It is Recap Monday. I gotta get into something real quick. This is not a sponsored video because I just don't have time to do a demo. But you guys know I'm a Rejuvenator influencer. God, it's such a weird thing to say. But I use Rejuvenator like crazy. I clean and disinfect all the pairs that I get in beater boxes with them. I know they just did a Black Friday sale, but guess what? They're doing another sale and it's going on today and tomorrow. Today being Monday, December 8th, 2020. So today until tomorrow at midnight PST, you can go to their website and you can get 25% off your entire order by using my code SBClean25. Use that code at checkout. You save 25% off your entire order. And as an extra added bonus gift, if your order is over $30, they send you a free dust bag. I'd love to let you know what that is, but I don't have any idea. But hey, it's free, and who doesn't like free stuff? So go to the link in the video description. It's a bit.ly. Buy whatever you need to buy from Rejuvenator to clean your shoes or keep your shoes clean. Use my code SBClean25 to save 25% off your entire order, and that's how you could save some money. And it ends tomorrow night, Tuesday, December 9th at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. Just got an email, and you'll save 25%. And remember, they have free shipping too, so shipping is included in the prices of this stuff. So it's not like you save 25% and then they're like, oh wait, you owe us 15 for shipping. No, everything is free shipping, and they also do free returns too in case you're not satisfied, but let's be realistic here. You're gonna be satisfied. Check it out, Rejuvenator, SBClean25, save 25%. But seriously, Rejuvenator stuff is actually really good and I use it like crazy. So definitely recommend if you need to clean your shoes or all that stuff. Anyway, today's box recap. We're recapping a box that released, I think the video was on August 28th. I actually opened the box on the 20th of August. No, the 18th of August, because the box itself was actually the first box in a good old double dip. And that double dip video was a $600 and a $500 box. This is the first box. Fun fact, the $500 box from that video still hasn't sold all the way through, which doesn't really bode well for it, but hey, whatever. This 9-pair Soul Supremacy beater box had good sizes, but that's really it. But I mean, they sold all the way through, so I really can't complain. But I'll be pretty honest, there were some pairs in this box that just after a while I got sick of looking at, so I ended up having to do like a sale on the website and do a Brick 66 run. So here's the video. This is the $600 box from the double dip. This first pair is a size US 9.5. This is a Flyknit trainer. I think this is the total orange colorway. They're in worn condition, no box. We got another Flyknit trainer, probably a 9.5 as well. Yep, came from the same seller probably. This is the Oreo, I want to say, Flyknit trainer. This is a really nice colorway because it's really simple. Last loose shoe is it's a LeBron. It's 8 or 9. I don't really know. I'm not a huge LeBron guy. Well, I mean, I was a LeBron guy when he was on the Cavs, but. Got a size 8, just says Ultra Boost. Oh, these are these things. Yes, they are worn. So this is I want to say these are 4.0s. I think these are the Cookies and Cream Ultra Boost 4.0. There's a homemade label. It says J8 Ice Blue 11W, so whatever that means. Yeah. These are the Ice Blue Jordan 8s. It's a women's release, so that would make it a size 9.5 men's. It's an older release. I want to say it's like 2008 or something like that, 2007. It's got a B grade stamp on the actual style ID tag, so. Oh, look at that. Got a pair of Pure Money 3s. These are in really solid shape. These are an older release. I want to say 2007 something. Size 12 Air Max Penny. Yeah, this is just an Air Max Penny. This is the original like bread colorway or whatever you call it, black, red, and white. So again, I don't really know much about LeBron sneakers. This is some kind of white with gold accents. I don't know what the actual shoe is nicknamed. But this is the, I think it's just like a sport red Jordan 1. Really, really wild insole, which is pretty cool. Now, like I said before, this box was a multi-platform seller. 5 shoes sold on GOAT, 3 of them sold on the website, and 1 of them sold on eBay. And I'll get into the eBay thing because I don't usually sell on eBay. I actually hate using eBay, so we'll get into that later. Not shockingly, the last pair that stuck around was the Adidas Ultra Boost Cookies and Cream, because Adidas. And those sold on October 13th. So the turnaround on this box was about a month and a half, which is okay. I'll actually get into it a little bit more later. The estimated market value on this pick was an absolutely buck wild $1,235. But that's kind of like because there was wildly inconsistent historical sales data on pairs like the Air Max Penny or like Flyknit Trainer Pluses without a box. So then after subtracting the box cost, which was $610, we're left with an estimated difference of $625. Sorry, my leg itches. I then take that $625 and put it into the GOAT formula, which is 9.5% minus $5 for each pair, which is $45 for shipping, and then the 2.9% PayPal transfer fee or processing fee, whatever you call it. That leaves us with an estimated net profit of $505.53, or a return on investment of 82.87%, which is extremely, and I can't use extremely enough in this sentence, but extremely unrealistic. Well, let's bring up the old spreadsheet. As you can see in the far right column, the total gross sales for this box came to $958.86, nearly $300 less than the estimated gross. And then after subtracting shipping and processing fees, the actual net sales of this box totaled out to $848.88. Then after taking out the cost of the box, which is $610, we end up with a net profit of $238.88 to give this box a return on investment of 39.16%, which is still a very good return, especially for a $600 box. But at the same time, that's over 50 percentage points less than the estimated return. There's a couple really good reasons why that happened. Number 1, the lack of sales data. There were a decent amount of pairs in this box that just don't have much draw. The pair that sold for the most was the 25th anniversary Jordan 3s, but at the same time, that's a pair that's over a decade old, and there's probably not a whole bunch of sales for that shoe. So sometimes you just have to guess. I mean, you can look on eBay, you can look on StockX, you can look on GOAT, but sometimes there's just no historical data, so you just have to guess. Or even just go based on what current asking prices are for certain pairs. Because older pairs like that, there might be an older pair in the same size that might be like $80, but it's in awful condition, and the pair you have could be in great condition. So there's really a lot of guesswork that goes into it. So, I mean, with older pairs and just less hype shoes, you just kind of have to guess. I know I sound like a broken record, but that's what you have to do. And then number 2, there's only 2 reasons in this box, because they're both very good reasons. You kind of have to price slow-moving pairs to move. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can't sit around and hold pairs that that could go for what their perceived market value is, and you're gonna have to wait forever to find that one rando that's gonna be like, yes, I'm willing to pay that much for this shoe, when there's really nothing to back up putting an actual market value on the shoe. Now with this box in particular, a lot of them sold on the website because of a sale I was running. I had to do a 33% off sale on the website because they were just pairs I just didn't want to look at anymore. And that's the thing, is like, yeah, the market value on something could be $150, but it's a pair that might not have much attention, or people might not know about it, or it just might be older and they don't want to try and risk wearing an older shoe that could fall apart. So when you have a $150 shoe and you need it to move, sometimes you have to price it at $120. I mean, $30 less than perceived market value isn't really helping yourself. But as you saw from this box, I mean, the market value was perceived to be at 80% return, but I still got 40% out of this box because I had to just kind of swallow my pride and just be like, yeah, these pairs have to sell for a lot less than they should. And sometimes that's kind of what you have to do. Now the Brick 66 one, the Adidas thing that's sold on Brick 66, let me explain Brick 66 to you guys. Number 1, I hate using eBay. I avoid it at all costs. I think eBay should implement an IQ test for people to buy on there, because if they did, I think more than half of the users on eBay would be gone. But what I do for Brick66 is if I have a box that's completely sold all the way through, made a profit, and I still have a pair or two left from that box, I'm gonna be like, okay, you know what? I'm willing to put it on eBay. Just put it on there for $6.66 plus shipping and just let it ride. So that way, I mean, even if it sells for, I mean, the Ultra Boost sold for what, 49 bucks, which is way under what they should have sold for, but that's all profit. And let's be realistic, when was the last time an Ultra Boost went for anything close to market value? I mean, they're constantly running sales on Ultra Boost, on new ones especially, so no one's gonna pay market value for us, especially a worn Ultra Boost, when Adidas just doesn't hold value, and also they have new pairs going up for sale prices all the time. That's what that is. But this box overall did pretty good. I mean, the fact that the estimated return was 80%, but I still got 40% out of it, even when I had most of those shoes going for way under what they should have, or even that plus being on sale. Sometimes you just got to make that decision to just let pairs go and still make a profit on them. And I think that's why Sold Supremacy prices boxes like that in that price range, because they know, I mean, they know that these shoes aren't going to get much money. So the fact that I got any return on it, and a good return at that, is okay. And that's sometimes what you have to go with. I don't know if any of that made sense, but I'm just kind of going off on a tangent. So that's how that box did. I think it did okay. The box itself wasn't that great, but the fact that we made 40% on it is pretty awesome. So no complaints from me. Hey, remember to use my code today and tomorrow, SBClean25. Save yourself 25% on any Rejuvenator product until tomorrow night at midnight Pacific Standard. And you get a free gift if you spend over 30 bucks. So go into the link in my video description. It's a bit.ly link. You can click there and then it'll take you there. And then use my code SBClean25. Yep, that's it. Again, not a sponsored video because I didn't meet the requirements for it to be a sponsored video. I'm just letting you know because I want you to save money if you clean your shoes. So thanks for watching the recap. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Beater Box Friday, probably. Beater Box Friday, not Beer Box Friday. Hey, see you Friday. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.